In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your Microsoft Word dictionary. So I have a Microsoft Word document here, and as you can see, John, Sam, these two names, Microsoft Word picks it up as misspelled. And anytime a word looks misspelled or is not in the Microsoft dictionary, it has a red line underneath. So if I don't want to see those red lines underneath the name, and if I use these two names often in Microsoft Word when I'm typing letters, I need to save it in this computer in the Microsoft Word dictionary. So to save it in the dictionary, just right click, select add to dictionary. Select add to dictionary with the other name also. So if I type these two names in another Microsoft Word document, I would not see those red lines underneath. So to get to the Microsoft Word dictionary, click on File, scroll down, click on Options, click on Proofing, and on the right side it says Custom Dictionary. So this is the tab. Click on that. Now there are some dictionaries here and they are there by default. So you can have any amount of dictionary files here. This is the default dictionary. Now to see what's in this file, click on Edit Word List. Here are the names that I added. So if I want to add more names, I can just type it in here. Click add, and if I want to delete any one of these, I just highlight it and delete, or I can delete all. I can add another custom dictionary here. So to do that, I'll click on new and type a name for it. Custom A, click save, and it's here. So I can highlight this here, click on edit word list, and I can add words to this custom dictionary. You can add as many custom dictionaries. Now this custom dictionary that I created, I can copy it and I can share it with someone. So to do that, I just need to highlight it. It shows me where the location of the dictionary is. It's here. I'm just going to copy this path, right click, copy, click on File Explorer and right click here and paste it. Hit enter, and this is the location here. Now this is the custom file that I created. So just right click, copy. I have this custom dictionary here, and this was shared with me, and I want to add it in my Microsoft Word dictionary in my computer. What I have to do is to first of all open up Microsoft Word, go to Options, click on Proofing, click on Custom Dictionaries. You want to copy this location again, right click, copy, open File Explorer, paste it here, hit enter. So all I have to do, just right click, copy, and paste it here. I can also just drag it here and make a copy. Now the dictionary file is in the uProof folder here. So now I need to add it here. Now to add the custom dictionary, all I have to do is click on add, select the custom dictionary that was shared with me, select open, and it's here. And I can edit the list. So that's how you add a custom shared dictionary into your Microsoft Word. So I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.